Okay, this is my old wheelbarrow. I'm doing some major projects at my house, and one of them is tearing down my old patio, rear patio. And instead of throwing this wood, I was thinking maybe I should just burn it and make some more ash. The reason why I'm making more ash, I've been encouraged with the results with my basil. I've grown basil before, but it hasn't grown as good as it has when I added ash into the mix. And I've been trying to replicate what nature does out in the wild by mixing ash with dry leaves and whatever compost is lying around. And with that said, I've been getting some very, very good results with that. And I will show you what the mixture looks like. And then I'll show you my basil in a bucket, how it's been growing. So hopefully I'm not going to get cooked alive here, but here's part of the mixture. Basically, as you can see, let me unzoom it a little bit. Ash, dead leaves, twigs, whatever I find, some leftover newspapers. But this mix has proven to be very good for the basil. Later on I'll be experimenting with other plants, and I'll show you the results with that. Here is my basil plant. It's in a standard bucket. I'm not no farmer, I don't have a green thumb or anything, but I'd just like to show you how this basil has been growing. Keep in mind that basil doesn't like a lot of sunlight. You sort of have to keep part of it in the shade. And look at this thing grow. It's just, I trim leaves off to use in my salads and my food, and it just keeps growing more and more. Just been getting fantastic results. And like I said, I've grown basil before, but I've never had these same results. So I'd be curious to see if you guys will try it. Mix some ash with some dried leaves, some regular potting soil, whatever soil you have in your yard, and see how your plants grow after that.
You've got to do actual work to find the best deal.
Just very good results. I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you guys are interested in growing your own garden in pots or ground level soil, just let me know what you think. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and like. I'd really appreciate that. Thank you.